Make a great choice today with the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.